Imagine you're a student, researcher, artist, or entrepreneur, and you need a laptop that can seamlessly integrate into your modern life, providing you with unparalleled performance, cutting-edge features, and a design that's so sleek, it becomes an extension of yourself. Today, I'm here to review the Apple 2026 MacBook Air 15-inch laptop, which promises to revolutionize the way we work, play, and create with its groundbreaking M5 chip. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. As professionals and creatives, we're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with our work. We demand more power, more precision, and more flexibility from our tools. However, many laptops currently on the market often fail to deliver on these fronts, leaving us with cumbersome designs, mediocre performance, and limited battery life. But what if I told you that the Apple 2026 MacBook Air 15-inch laptop is a game changer? With its powerful M5 chip, it's built to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease, making it an ideal companion for students, researchers, artists, and entrepreneurs alike. When I first unboxed the MacBook Air 15-inch, I was immediately struck by its stunning 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display. The vibrant colors and razor-sharp text made it a joy to work on, perfect for anyone who spends hours in front of a screen. The design itself is sleek and minimalist, with a compact footprint that makes it a breeze to carry around. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds, this laptop is easy to slip into a backpack or tote bag, making it the perfect companion for a busy professional or student. Let's talk about the build quality. It's incredibly solid, with a sturdy aluminum frame that exudes premium materials. The keyboard is a pleasure to type on, with just the right amount of travel and feedback to make you feel confident in your work. And with Touch ID, you can easily log in and access your MacBook with just a single touch, streamlining your workflow and keeping your data secure. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the M5 chip. This is where the MacBook Air 15-inch truly shines. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you can work or play without worrying about running out of juice. And with faster CPU and unified memory, you can tackle multiple tasks with ease, from complex simulations to graphics-intensive workflows. This chip delivers lightning-fast performance, making it the perfect tool for researchers, artists, and entrepreneurs who need to push the boundaries of what's possible. But what really sets the MacBook Air 15-inch apart is its advanced AI capabilities. With machine learning accelerated apps like Photos and Safari, you can enjoy more intelligent and personalized experiences, from image editing to web browsing. Plus, with the advanced image signal processor, you can enjoy stunning image quality, perfect for photographers, videographers, or anyone who loves to capture life's precious moments. Real-world testing revealed just how powerful this laptop is. I used it to edit 4K video in Adobe Premiere Pro with multiple effects and color grades. The MacBook Air 15-inch performed admirably, delivering smooth playback and real-time rendering. I also used it to run complex simulations in MATLAB, with thousands of data points and multiple iterations. Again, the laptop performed flawlessly, crunching through the data in record time. However, I did notice a slight trade-off in terms of heat buildup. When running demanding tasks for extended periods, the laptop can get quite warm, so make sure to keep it in a well-ventilated area. In terms of pros and cons, the MacBook Air 15-inch boasts an impressive list of strengths. Its performance, battery life, and design make it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a modern laptop. However, some users may find the price point a bit steep, and the lack of a dedicated HDMI port may be a concern for those who need to connect to external displays. When it comes to competing options, the MacBook Air 15-inch holds its own against the likes of Dell XPS 15, Lenovo ThinkPad P53, and HP ZBook 15. While these laptops offer similar performance and features, the MacBook Air's sleek design and advanced AI capabilities give it a unique edge. However, it's worth noting that the XPS 15 offers a slightly larger display and more ports, while the ThinkPad P53 boasts a more robust keyboard and better battery life. In conclusion, the Apple 2026 MacBook Air 15-inch laptop is a powerhouse of performance, design, and features. With its M5 chip, advanced AI capabilities, and stunning 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display, it's the perfect companion for anyone who needs a laptop that can keep up with their demanding lifestyle. While there are some trade-offs to consider, I wholeheartedly recommend the MacBook Air 15-inch to anyone looking for a top-of-the-line laptop that's truly built for the future. If you're ready to experience computing like never before, head to the Apple website or visit your local Apple store to explore this incredible device.